Hey guys, welcome back to my family's channel, the Happy Healthy Vegans. I'm Stephanie, and today I'm going to be attempting to make a dessert for Christmas called Carmelitas that I found on Pinterest. Thank you to Happy Healthy Mama who supplied the recipe. And yeah, let's try to do this. Never made them, never even heard of them, so it should be interesting. Okay, first thing you want to do is line a 8x8 or 9x9 baking dish with tinfoil and spray it with cooking oil. Then you're going to mix together 3/4 of a cup of melted olive oil and 3/4 of a cup of coconut sugar. Whisk that together until blended. Okay, I forgot to mention that you're going to want to put 1 cup of oats into a food processor and blend it until it's a flour consistency. Now I'm going to add my sugar and oil to this. Mix it all in, as well as adding another cup, 1 cup of oats that is not blended. Mix that all in. Okay, now I'm adding a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, as well as a pinch of salt into my mixture, as well as 1 tablespoon vanilla. And we're going to blend that in. Okay, now you're going to take half your mixture and pour it into your lined pan. So it's about half. Press it into the bottom, so this is going to be your base for these bars. Okay, my pan is lined, and I'm going to be putting it in the oven for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, my base is done here, and I'm going to be adding 1 cup dark chocolate chips. It's not quite a cup. I kind of ran out. I didn't realize I was so low. I'm going to spread that out on here. That worked out. And then you're going to add your caramel, which is 1/2 cup of tahini, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, and 1/2 cup of the canned coconut milk. Mix that up, and then you're going to pour it over top of your chocolate chips. Okay, let's pour this over our chocolate chips. Oh, it's just like sinking in, and it looks very similar to caramel. Okay, now that my caramel sauce is evenly distributed, we're going to put in your other half, or put on your other half of the oats. I'm gonna use my fingers to kind of sprinkle it around. I've never done this before. This is the first time, so I don't know, hopefully it works out. Oh, can't see. Sorry. Alright. There you go. Oh, shouldn't do that. It's pretty wet. Now that I have my oats on there, evenly distributed, I must say, we are going to bake this for another 18 minutes. And then once it's done baking, it's got to go in the fridge for at least 2 hours, because if you try and cut this, it'll be a mess, according to Happy Healthy Mama. And then, or if not, preferably overnight, she said. So yeah, we're going to bake it now. Hey guys, It's the next day and my Carmelitas have been sitting in the fridge for a good long time because it's like 20 after 12 here. They look really good, so I'm going to cut them up. I'm going to try them with my husband and see how they taste. Alright, I have them all cut up and putting in my container, and now I want to try. I can't wait. Look at it. I can't really break it in half to. You can see the light layer of chocolate and the caramel. It's good. You need to come try.
I gotta try?
My husband's gonna try.
Hello. Oh, it's falling apart already.
It's good.
It's not as sweet as I expected it to be.
Me too. It is sweet, and a small little bar like that is perfect. But you still taste the oatmeal. It's really yummy. Definitely try it and make it. It's so good. What do you think?
It's creamy. It's, yeah, really different. It's like 10 desserts in one. Very different.
Thank you for watching. Make these bars. They're from the Happy Health and Mama on Pinterest.
I
will tag her in the links below. Bye now.